Hi everyone, today's video is about creating bar charts in Excel. Our channel has reached 1,000 subscribers today. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed. These charts are used very often. They are usually very effective for creating visual reports in large tables, such as sales reports. Without taking much of your time, I'll show you how to create a chart in a short video. So don't miss it, let's go. First, select the table, then in the Insert tab, choose Insert Column or Bar Chart. You'll see several different chart options, and you can choose whichever you like. As you can see, the companies are sorted from the highest to the lowest sales numbers. Here, you can also change the title as you wish. Okay, the chart is ready. In charts, you can change the colors and the size. For this, go to the Change Colors option at the top. You can change the chart scales to any color you want. At the same time, in the Chart Design section, you can also change the design of the chart. There are different styles available here. You can move the chart anywhere on the screen. In this chart, the background color is white. To change the color, go to the Colors section in the Home tab. As you can see, you can choose any color you like. I changed the background color to yellow. It's that simple. The bar chart is now fully ready. Depending on the size of your table, the values in your chart may change. Finally, I prepared this video specially for our 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time.